Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. But today is a special episode. It's all about Disassembly, this cordless coffee machine. I had the curiosity and wondering myself how is working this coffee machine with the Parkside batteries. Yep, it is a filter coffee machine. Water tank, filter, insert the coffee, filter goes here, and then it will start the brewing process with the stainless steel mug Parkside logo. As I mentioned, you can check this video after the end of this video. The Parkside battery goes here. So let's disassemble it and find out how it works. We need to remove at the bottom we have 4 screws and another 4 screws here, 8 screws total. One screw is missing, only 7 screws. Okay. And the spoon, of course, the handle. So inside we can see the board that is communicate with the battery. We can see these huge cables, 2 cables connected at the heating element here. Water is heating up and then extracting the water with a pump. So we need to remove another 6 screws. Let's remove these 2 screws. Here it is, the BMS board, communicate with the battery. And we need to remove more screws, because somewhere it is the pump. And that is only the plastic Parkside logo was removed, the button with the LED indicator. We have the tube here. Communicates from the heating element at the extraction point here. Let's remove the heating element. So there it is. I don't see any pump. I think the gravity makes the all work. Maybe the pump is inside here. Nope, there is no pump. I think, yep, the gravity makes all the work, and with the heat is extracting the water. That is the key component at this coffee machine, the board. Connections for these 2 cables. Solder it, the heating element at the board, the red and the black cable. Well, that was all about. That is everything that you need to know what parts it has, this cordless coffee machine. Not too much, two important parts. That was a curiosity day. Now I know how it works. Inside here it has this plastic. It is like a fan. And we need to connect that here, and then this tube goes here. I think all these small parts, it helps for the extraction of the water. Now let's move on, assemble everything back and see if it works. Okay, perfect. Water, the battery, and on. Let's wait. And it's working, we have water. That was the disassembly and the assembly for this cordless coffee machine. Don't forget to watch my video making a coffee. It tastes great. You are smarter now with this video. You know what parts it has inside and how it works. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.